Dear viewers, I hope you are eagerly waiting for the results of Miss Mizoram 2020. Here we brought you details about the just concluded grand finale held on the night of 14 March at DAWNGTUTE, Aizawl, Mizoram. Earlier on 7 March, we have seen results of the 7 wonders. Last night, 4 subtitles were added in the list, which come to the total of 11 subtitles. The grand event was stormed by so many celebrities from the fashion industry, some of which we can quickly mention are actress Christina Pautu, singer Fanai, Miss Mizoram 2018 Lalhnaihzuali, and many more. Here the details are as follows.